Meaning of entire.
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 Entire. The word entire is an adjective that means whole, without any missing parts or pieces. It can be used to describe something that is complete and undivided, or something that is unbroken and intact. For example, if you have eaten the entire pizza, it means that you have consumed the full amount without leaving any slices behind. Similarly, if a building has collapsed entirely, it means that the entire structure has fallen down and there are no parts left standing. Overall, entire refers to a state of completeness and totality without any omissions or deficiencies.